Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good and I hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. I had a few orders come in. The last of my ink from Michael's arrived and I got the mermaid tail, fresh air, and a violet. I believe those are the ones I got today. I don't know. No, wrong one. Got this one. Violet syrup and violet syrup. I don't know why I got two, but it works. So Michael's order, crazy, is done. And then on the flea market sale on Karenbot, which is this is her Etsy store name. I will link this in the description box below. I bought a few pieces of jewelry. This is the first one. I'm hoping my granddaughter's like these. I showed Diamond. She said it's pretty. She don't know. Leah don't wear a lot of jewelry, but she may in time, so I got that one. I think it's so pretty. And it comes with a nice necklace. And then I got this one in like a bronze color. This is the one I wanted because the blue is my kind of that blue stone. It's kind of my birthstone blue tone. Because aquamarine is my birthstone. So I got that one. And I will have the Etsy store linked in the description box below, so you can go check it out. This is Karenbot's store right there. Oh, there we go. Ooh, I saved 20% on your online order. So there's a code. I want to use it. There we go. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but oh. Then Shelly from, I believe her channel is Crafty Mamas, something like that, had a sale. She was destashing and all the proceeds went to Defy, so we can call it a Defy sale. And I picked up these stamps. Look at this one. It's a little, I liked it. It was cute. And then the girl with the lipstick. And then this lady. And then this. Okay, excuse me. And then the bust. And we did this one. And that's what I got for today. I think they're cute. So, Defy, I have sales off and on, and I will link Hart's channel in the description box below, so you can kind of maybe join or see and keep up. They have auctions, I think, like once a month. This was a bonus sale this month because Shelly was going through her stuff, because I guess she's in Hawaii, and I think she's moving back to the States side, I guess they call it. So she's destashing a lot of her stuff before her move, and I just happened to come in at the right time. She had good deals, good deals. So, as always, everybody, oh, what's coming up? Oh, look for my jewelry knotting videos. I have that coming up. And that's it. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.